my people.
The candidates of major political parties on Monday have expressed confidence of their victory after casting their votes for the assembly polls in the state. Many of the sitting MLAs are confident of their win due to the work they have done for the development of the constituency in the past 5 years. The prominent candidates who casted their votes include Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, TMC Chief and Party candidate from Nong Thamai Charles Pingrop, former Minister and BJP candidate from Pinthor Umkra A.L. Heck, and NPP candidate from Milliam Hamletson Dorling.
I'm very confident that I'll come back again as Assembly of Milliam constituency. The reason is that for the past 5 years I have done my 7% performance in my constituency. So I do hope people they know me very well. They know how I perform in my constituency. So obviously they will vote for me.
Meghalaya TMC President Charles Pingrop